If a person has been summoned to court, what kind of help or assistance is provided to them to get ready to go to court?
If you're going to court because you've been arrested for a crime, then you have the right to access a solicitor for free, and that you might have your own solicitor already, but if you don't, there are these things called duty solicitors, and they have to be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help people who've been arrested for a crime. They'll explain what your rights are in the police station, what will happen in the police station, and then if you or when you end up going to court, they will kind of explain what's going to happen and what you need to be prepared for. If you've been summoned to court as a witness, there is something called the Citizens Advice Witness Service, and they provide kind of practical support to people who are going to court as a witness. It could be just explaining how the courts work. It could be doing like a pre-visit to court. So if you're nervous about the court hearing and giving your evidence, the witness service can actually take you to court to kind of look around. And they can provide kind of moral, emotional support as well as a few other things.
And so these things that we're talking about, like the witness, what did you call it, sorry?
The witness service.
The witness service and the duty solicitor, do you find them at the court itself?
Duty solicitors work in police stations. The witness service is run by Citizens Advice, but they cover every court in England and Wales. There are also organisations like Support Through Court. So increasingly, especially in areas of civil law, people represent themselves in court, and there are charities like Support Through Court, which, I mean, kind of does what it says on the tin. It supports people who are going to court to represent themselves by explaining how it's going to work, giving them advice, and in some cases arranging for them to get free representation.